Hi students, today we are going to see the next one type of nouns, that is collective nouns. And till yesterday we were seeing common noun and proper nouns, and I do hope that you have satisfied about common noun and proper nouns. I think that you have practiced them well, and I do not any hurry to take our syllabus ahead. We are going slowly because here I am going to clear each and every concept in detailed way. So yesterday I have taken the practice exercise of common and proper nouns, and now I am going to take next type of collective noun. What is collective noun then? It is so different than the common and proper nouns. Now look what tells collective nouns. Collective nouns, when nouns stand for groups, what the definition tells, the group of people. What is common noun? The name given in general to the people, person, thing. And what is collective noun then? Groups of people. Afterward, groups of things. What is common noun? Name given in general to the thing. What is proper noun? A name, specific name given to the thing. And what is common noun? Groups of things. Afterwards, groups of animals. In common noun, name given in general to animals, things. And what is collective noun then? Groups of animals taken together. It means when we take them together as a whole, they are called collective nouns. Now look, a group of people, it means mob. It means mob. When many people come together, that become mob, and mob is then collective nouns because many people are there. Afterward, army. There also, it means when soldier comes together, there we call army. That's why collective nouns. Army is also collective nouns. Afterward, thing, group of things. Students, in your class, you study more than one student. It means there you study with along with 15 students, 20 students, and that becomes your class. It means now look, a class of 20 students. Class म्हणजे first standard class, second standard class, third standard class. Because what is class? You study there along with your friends, with other students, and there we give name, that is class, and here class is collective nouns. Afterward, animals, cattle, pet animal, or other animals, cattle, animal. Herd, when many animals come together, there we call herd of cattle, herd of animals. So herd, army, mob, gaggle, class, gang, bundle are the collective nouns. It means when nouns stand for groups of people, mob, groups of things, class, groups of animals, herd, gaggle, geese, goose, geese. Goose, geese is a many form of goose. This is a goose is a bird. And when many birds come together, gaggle, that becomes we call gaggle. So gaggle is a collective noun. Group of animals, taken together as whole, they are called collective nouns. Again, see examples here. Suppose there are many animals or cattle, and we say them whole together. A herd of cattle, a herd of animal, and third is collective noun. It means we call them together. Afterward, an army. It means when many soldiers come together, we call them army. Like this, a mob. It means when many people come together, there we say mob. It means group of people. That is collective nouns. Gaggle, just I told. A class. It means when many students come together, that becomes class. And what is our definition? A group of things. It becomes thing. A group of things. So class is a collective noun. A gang. And a bundle, when many notes, banknotes we collect, that becomes bundle. A bundle of notes, banknotes are the examples of collective nouns. You now, after listening this video, you to try to write collective nouns as you can as a homework. Okay.